Hello friends, today we'll see how to renew your registration in NT through online process. So first we go to the Google and write Rego renew NT. Then we click on the first link over there. Then we go to the online and then we'll go to the MBR quick pay. Then on renew my registration, read the terms and condition and click on I agree. Click on continue if you have nothing to do here. Then put your transaction number and registration number. You can get these details on your email or SMS reminder as well. Then choose the renewal period you require. Then click on continue and then verify the details and the money you have to pay. Then choose the payment method and put your card details. And then once you pay, you will get to download the certificate and also print the certificate if required. Then you can get the document like this. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. I will see you in another video. Thank you.